Want to put again? Wait lang.
No,
We need to check if this is good na.
Maybe that's good. And now glitters. Ballerina Cappuccino, ballerina. Cappuccino assassino.
Wait lang.
Assassino.
What makes it?
I love purple.
Try to touch it if it's not sticky anymore. If it's not sticky, you can add the glitters and the other.
What's this?
I don't know. Oh, go. Check if this is sticky. Oh no.
Why?
What happened?
It's not stinky anymore.
It's not sticky?
Ugh.
What? Sticky?
Yes.
Sticky pa?
Yes.
We need to add more activator.
Mommy, can you pour it water?
Oh no!
Why? I want to wash my hands.
There oh.
It's waiting.
Oh, this is good na. It's not sticky anymore. Oh, but it's not ano. Oh no, it's not stretchy. Ah.
Mommy, my hair is very wet. And I want to put glitters.
We need to put some more glue.
Blue?
No, we put a lot of activator.
Mommy, if you need more, sabihin mo sa akin na. Tell me.
Oh, no. Let's check if this is
Sticky?
stretchy already. Is this okay?
Yeah.
I think this is good now.
And let's go put the glitters.
Hmm?
Let's put glitters. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
What did you do? Turn off the water na. Turn off the water, honey. Oh, go. You want to put some glitters?
Yeah.
What color? Oh, there's a lot here. Let's get it first. Oh, look. That's so nice.
What's that?
Now get the things from here first. Go. Put it here. Put it here. There. Look, honey, look. Go here. Dito ka.
I want to play with you more because I love you so much. You
I
need
will
water.
make more.
What?
I will make more. Go. Mix it. Do you like that? Oh, your slime is so nice now. Show them. Show them.
And
Show
mine.
them how stretchy it is now.
Oh,
Ooh.
look at guys. And my mom now.
This is so nice.
Are so nice.
You want more? Or that's enough na for today?
That's yours.
Gonna make one for me?
Yeah.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Let's put some activator.
And I want to make bubbles. Oh, so nice. I want to put this.
Which one? Let me help you. Which one, honey?
I want
This one?
Fritters.
I will help you because you might spill it again. Ay, why is it so hard? I can't. So hard to open, honey. Can you do this one instead? This is the one that I opened. Okay?
Yeah. Wait, let me help you. Let me just like this, okay? Just slowly. Whoa, it's so, ano? Ano si Luno?
Ay, oo nga. Luna. Wala
Baka?
si Luna.
Ha?
Luna!
Luna, come on.
Hello! Come here.
Wait lang.
Oh no!
Bye.
It's very sticky. Right? Scarlett? Ay, Lucky. Lucky, no.
Ayaw ni Luna.
Natakot siya kay Lucky.
Ha?
Natakot siya kay Lucky.
Ben Ben. Mommy, wow, my slime is so pretty now. Mommy,
Mine is not good yet.
mine is good now.
It's still sticky.
Still sticky. Ganito mo kasi, oh. Oh.
But it's super stretchy. Look, oh.
Yeah.
I think I just need to wait for a little bit more.
Okay.
Or put a little bit of this. I think this is the one for this. Oh, right.
Look at my mom. It's so pretty. Mine too. It's so pretty.
Oh, it's perfect now.
Hoy, Michiwa. Sayo, nana. Foki, foki, foki. Sayo, nana.
So, pokey babe.
Mommy, wait.
Oh no!
Why? Why, mommy?
Okay na. What did you do?
I just... Mama!
Ginabi na kayo. Ginabi na kayo.
Nag-practice ito
Nang?
reclamation. Malapit na ang ano eh.
Mama, tinan mo!
Ayaw nga, next week daw yung walang pasok.
Mama, tinan mo!
Yata.
Mama, tinan mo!
naman yan?
Wala daw eh.
Wala.
Sabi kanina, kasabay, sabi ni Gab. Kanila
Baka yun
TJ.
na yung mga kasali na ano na ito.
Oo.
So pretty. Ning, 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 ning. Oh.
Wow.
So
It's
stinky.
super stretchy.
Yeah, so stinky. It's not
Sticky, not stinky. Sticky. Is it sticky?
sticky.
No, I think that's good na. This one is a little bit sticky. This one. But I think that's how slime is.
Mommy, just, mommy, diba just my teeth?
I'm gonna use that.
No, mommy, can I borrow the one, the orange one?
Let's make a bubble. How to make a bubble? Oh!
Oh no!
It's okay, don't wash it. Just do it like this on your slime. No, it's not gonna get ruined. Hilig mo sa slime, ayaw mo naman na malagkit.
I'm having fun today.
Yeah.
And So healthy. Chicken!
Meron pa ditong ano. Meron pa dito yung sinampalukan. Oo, tsaka meron pa yatang baboy dyan eh. Si Gabi kumakain na kila Renren, bumiling siomay. Ay, ano ba itong? Meron pa ditong chicken, yung sinampalukan. Nilagay ko pa sa ref. Yun na lang ula, ay, si Yuji kumakain na kila LJ. Oo. Ay, wow. Sarap niyan.
How can I borrow the one I want? This one.
Look, mine is very stretchy.
No, it's not. No.
But yours is, your color is very nice. This one.
Yours
Look, oh.
too. Yeah, yeah.
It's very nice.
Just put this look. This is very pretty.
This one? That's too much. Oh, there's a lot in there.
No, you.
Next time, me?
You put it. Para maganda ganito, oh.
Mm. Okay. Can you mix it for me?
Okay. Just like this. Wait,
I think that's enough.
just like this. I know.
It's okay, honey.
Just
No, not there. Oh. Oh, see? It's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No.
No. This is my favorite. No. It's okay, I'll just put vinegar.
Mommy, this is your favorite.
Kasi na ba sa inyo ni Maddie sinampalukan niya? Pwede na ako magbubukas. Bukas na.
Oo.
Saan yung nabili yan?
In-order ko. Pinadalan siya ng ninang Farisha niya ng pera. Matagal na niya tong gusto eh.
Mommy.
Panggawa.
Mommy, can I?
Kaya na, madilim na
Mommy, I want this one. The circle one.
The circle one? Why don't you? Oh, I think this is